Greetings, everyone, with Eddie Olczyk and Ray Ferraro in just a moment. This is Mike Emmerich. And we turn our attention to Game 5 from the road team's perspective. If you're their coach, what's the message?
Well, let's have a good first 5 or 10 minutes, Doc. We're going to have to weather the storm. We know the building is going to be up for grabs. The fans are going to be into it. You know the home team's going to come out and be real aggressive, try to play a physical style, try to get that first goal. But I think for my team, the road team, is that we want to make sure we can get through the first 5 or 10 minutes even or ahead, and we give ourselves a big chance in this game.
Nashville's coaching staff this morning was very confident playing this Game 5 on the road. They've been a good road team all season long, so they can rely on that success here in this big game tonight.
Okay, so let's look at the starting goaltenders for the game. A forgettable start last time. He got blown out. A must-win for him to prove that he can stay in that goal crease in the future. He raised his game for the playoffs with a shutout last time. He'll look to continue dominating here tonight. Matt Duchene, one of the Canadian-born players to earn Olympic gold in Sochi, and when he broke in with the Avalanche, was on the all-rookie team. Oh, snaps the shot! Waffle boarded. Pitching it to Ekholm. Gains the zone. Puck loose, now picked up. From the outside. Terrific grab with the glove. Nicely received at the point. What a ripper from the point. That puck hit him on the way to the net. From the slaughter wrister. Oh, and he missed the net.
When the puck sounds hard when it hits the end boards, that means you've missed the net. Scoring chances handed away.
Taken over again. Carolina's up the wing, settling things. Shoots one. Hits the post and out. A point blast. May not have been intentional, but he got it anyway. Collected in the corner. Out in front, a shot. No time to react. Didn't need it. Save.
That great save was all positioning.
That puck struck him in front. On to Niederreiter. Lets it go. Blocked. Nashville's in possession and moving up the wing. Smart recovery by Gardner. Directing that one to Niederreiter. Carries it on in from center. Lets it go. Score!
Always better to play from in front than to chase the game. There's the game's first goal.
Some shots, only one goal.
A lot of opportunities. Love the mindset of getting pucks and people to the net.
The Hurricanes get it off the faceoff. Good place to shoot from. Turned away with the stick. And at an angle to Pesci. Got that. Tremendous scoring chance. Skilled play by McGinn. Things are heating up with that hit.
After he picks himself up, he's got to go get his helmet. It's spinning on the ice like a top.
Just over 9 minutes remaining in the period. Carolina's ahead 1-0. They took that draw and won it. Caught his pad on that one. Nashville's setting up an offense from the wing. Carolina's got it in their own end, hoping for center. Takes it in from the neutral zone. Gloved. That puck is held, and the whistle stops play.
As soon as the shooter drops his head to release the puck, he's already in the butterfly, and so he can turn that aside easily.
Nashville's prevailed on another faceoff. Looking to Kunin. The Predators continue to probe up the wing. Cuts off the passing lane.
The Hurricanes force another turnover in this game. Let's see what they can do with it.
Lets it go. Blockered away. And decides to just cover it up and get the whistle.
You know what, Doc? Instead of acting like this after the whistle, how about both teams play whistle to whistle like this?
That's not really a scoring chance. It's a puck to the net. The goalie gets to handle it and stop it, but not a challenging stop at all.
It's dropped. They lock up, and that's a good job by the winger. Crosses that line. Shoots. Swept aside. Paquette's looking to lead. The Hurricanes skated up on the side. Shoots one. He wore that puck on a hard shot. Yarncroft's hooked on this play, and the arm of the referee is high. Goalie to the bench. Extra attacker out. Carolina's roster goes down by one here. At least briefly, a minor penalty for hooking.
The referees are looking for this. Anytime you stop skating and reach with your stick and pull on the opponent, you're going to the penalty box.
Nashville's offense may get a spark here from the power play. First crack of the night.
Always important to win the special teams battle, or at the very least, come out even.
Gets in, looks over his options here. Great glove save, but it's loose. Takes it to the corner. Strong wrister, and a save. And he shoots. Can't get a shot on. Recollected. Pumped off. The Predators in their own end in possession as they travel. Shoots. Got the save there. Play is offside, and so we get a halt.
Saros is able to get his stick hand on it. The blocker save is an easy one for him.
Hurricanes with a win at center. Driving in from no man's land. And the players collide in open ice.
Most of the time, the hits that you can lay are along the boards where you can angle somebody out of the play. Every once in a while, you get to deliver an open ice jolt.
Great job on a cut pass. The Predators, they score! Stall!
He had that wrist shot ready to go in a perfect scoring area.
A lot of times, as soon as the guy goes to shoot the puck, the goaltender drops into the butterfly position. He thinks he's got the net covered. Turns out he doesn't.
The Hurricanes with a center ice face-off win. He outskated him to beat the icing call. The Predators are skating it up at neutral ice. He is shut right off.
Duchesne's often the object of a target. He's so good, nobody wants to give him much room, but he gets tagged there.
Great save.
The Hurricanes were talking about an aggressive first 10 minutes. They've been way more physical, and they have the only goals in this game.
Clean win on the draw. Forsberg's got this one between the blue lines. Steals it in the attacking zone. 20 minutes are in the books, and so the coaches will have their say. The players will rest and listen. The red light flashed twice, both for the same team. 2-0. As we look at the shots on goal, It's hard to imagine there really were two teams in this game. It's lopsided. An enormous 17 for the Hurricanes and 2 for the Predators.
Hey fans, don't forget to enter tonight for our
Carolina's strength has been in goal scoring, and this one gave them a 2-goal lead. That's the one they enjoy right now. We'll have more in a moment. Second period about to begin here. Let's take a look back at the first. What impressed you most?
The Predators know they can't keep defending. They're trailing here, and they'll need more time on the attack to get the lead.
And period 2 is underway. Steps across that line. Got it at the point. Big drive. That puck was obstructed by a screen. An enormous hit.
Duchesne's skill is known throughout the league, but when he throws his body around, everybody takes notice.
Aho's going to learn really quick that you cannot skate around the ice with your head down. You got players looking to knock you into the third row.
The Hurricanes get the draw. Picks it up back there. Slid to Aho. Took that away in his own zone. Nicely into the zone. To Niederreiter. Pass attempt to Aho. A shot. Saved there. And he puts the glove on it and stops play. The Hurricanes prevail again. And off target with that one.
He had enough room to unload the shot. He got all of it, just missed wide.
Lets it go. Great save.
The Hurricanes have dominated much of this game. Defensively, they've denied shots to the net. Their goaltender hasn't had much to do, but he's been sharp on the relatively few chances he's had.
A good stick stop. Puck is thrown to Faust. Lets it go. Oh, and he robbed him. Just a bit under 6 minutes have been skated so far. Carolina's got the lead in this game, 2-0. The face-off, the tie-up, and a solid job from the winger there. Leads that charge into the zone. Dogged determination there by Gardner. And now it's directed to Faust. Gives it on a cross from the point. A gong shot there.
Boy, he made that save with his mask.
Bonk right off the coconut. That one's got a sting.
Carolina's quick on the draw. He was standing in the lane and got some of it. He was able to see it all the way and blocked it. Ran into the defense. He's lost it. Can start the attack going in the zone. Really good cut of the pass. Shoots. Got a piece of that one. Walks the blue line. Heaves one. Terrific shot, but a save. The Predators skated up on the side. Pitching this one to Niederreiter. Gains that offensive line. Puts one on. Turned away with the stick. Clips that wrist shot. That one hit him in the mask.
I can't imagine goaltenders never wearing masks.
A A good stick there, so no complete pass. He wheels behind. That went off the pad. It's an onside play. Wonderful chance to score, but no. Quick wrister. Oh, that was close.
From that position on the ice, he's got to hit the net. Make the goalie make a save.
Laid on, the yarn cry. Can't get it on net.
That's what I would call a grade A scoring chance, but the shot just missed the target.
Chip to Teravainen. Patted away. And freezes play for the whistle.
Pretty run-of-the-mill stop for the goaltender. He's got a clean look. It's a shot without much velocity.
The Hurricanes win the draw. The lane was jammed, and it hit somebody. Possession taken behind the net. That was a big hit.
I wonder if that hit will change the momentum of this game.
In with it now. Terrific determination by Faust. A great wrist shot. And a save.
1 minute left in the second
Twists
period.
one. Throws it. Oh, lightning quick and a terrific save. Can't find a lane. To Hamilton. Turned a shot on net. A brilliant save at the horn. That's 2 periods in the books. 1 more to go, but a rest comes first. A look at the shots on goal through 2. 29 for Carolina and 5 for Nashville.
Hey fans, don't forget to find those draw boxes.
The Hurricanes goaltender has not buckled yet. He's made some strong saves, but this one of the most recent big ones as we go to break. Two periods played, 1 period ahead. What are your thoughts so far, Eddie?
Nashville's got a real tough task ahead of them as we get ready for the 3rd period. They know they're facing a hot goaltender. They know they've created a lot of chances. They need a bounce. They need to get a greasy goal. In order to do that, you've got to put yourself right in front of the goaltender.
Holds on and gets that whistle. Puck drop, face-off 1, and the winger stepped right in. He's in on an onside play. What a move on that one with the stick. Passing one off now to Teravainen. Takes a shot. Save. Held there for a face-off coming up next.
Goalies have to make a half a dozen great stops in a win. This is one on a beautiful move, but there is nowhere for the puck to go.
Good job on the draw. Taken up the middle. A shot. Got it all. Almost an ill-advised pass from the goalie. And decides to just hold on and get a stoppage of play.
You can't deliver the puck much better than that, but the goalie says no chance. That's an excellent save.
A little under 4 minutes gone in this period. 2 goals have been scored, both by one team. Propelled to Johansson. Read that play in his own end. Skates it into the zone. He shut him right down. Squibbed over the Gronlund. Carolina's in their own end and shifting gears. Fires. Just couldn't find the target.
When the puck sounds hard when it hits the end boards, that means you've missed the net. Scoring chances handed away.
Carried to the corner by Johansson. Offensive possession here. Rubbed out along the boards.
This is what you call a great body check. Legal along those boards.
Into the end of attack. Feeds the point. Wrister. At least he protected his goaltender. Tries to get it over the line. Nice hit. Anything to slow him down here. Scorches one. And a save. A whistle and a rest.
Yossi's not feeling too well right now after that big collision. For all you young hockey players out there, you cannot put yourself in that position.
Beat him on that one. Shoots it on. Wonderful stop. He hangs on and gets the whistle.
Well, that's not challenging in the least. The goaltender's able to make the stop. He's got a clean line to see it. No challenge there.
Won that face-off. Now what? On the outside, a shot. Great save. Good shooting place. He scores! 3 in a row.
You could tell he's worked on this shot before because that's such a quick release, and he snaps it home.
Saros can't cover the bottom of the net, beaten just by the pad on the low stick side.
Carolina's goal has taken them to an even larger lead on a night that they have had the offense going. Third period of play.
Scored by number 48, Jordan Martino. Assisted by number 19.
Brings it in for an attack.
By number 51, Jake.
On to Tolvin. A tremendous glove save.
Carolina's trying to bring this shutout right to the very end. Their goaltender has been outstanding tonight, and they're just a few minutes away from completing the deal.
The Hurricanes have it at center ice. Good, solid defensive play with the stick. Trying to go to Duchesne. Steps in from the neutral zone. Out in front. Oh, terrific save on a great chance.
That is a great display of goaltending there, Doc.
Save there. Points it. Slid to Duchesne. Ranks the shot. Puck sails over the glass, and we get the whistle.
Reimer's made a textbook stop here. He's in good shape positionally. He makes the save, and he makes it look really easy.
Carolina's got a defensive zone win. The Hurricanes leave their own end. Quick wrist shot. Blocked. Skill play by Niederreiter. Moving it to Arvidsson. He gains the zone. Laid on to Duchesne. That puck went loose off the enemy. Chip to Forsberg. Propelled to Pesci. Fires. And they've got it again. Nearing the final minute of regulation. Blue line control. Carolina's got it between the blue lines. Has it back deep. Gains the zone. There is an opening there for that pass. Snapping a pass to Faust. Perfect wrister. Save. Motors along up center. He's got that point pass. Good place to shoot from, and he does. Save. A long scorcher. Didn't get through. Is able to move on in. Oh, here's a wrister. Deflected off the blocker. A collision.
Well, again,
Score! He's got his second.
Wrist shot was heavy and quick.
Saros is not able to shut down the top of the net, Edzo. That's a perfect shot.
Carolina goal, scored by number 36.
It's now 3-2. And if it's game 6 ahead, that means could be handshakes. Exciting times in the future.
The tie has been broken as we knew it would. The real question is, will this end in game 6 or 7? The pressure is on both teams to dictate how this series will go.
The tournament moves along with even more promising matchups in the future. Don't miss those. For Eddie Olczyk and Ray Ferraro, Mike Emmerich saying so long for now.